How to set up IPTV Smarters Pro on LG TV. So to get started, go ahead and download the app. So go to the LG content store on your TV, search for IPTV Smarters Pro, and then select the app and click install. After that, you need to launch the app. Open IPTV Smarters Pro once installed, and you'll be prompted to log in or create a profile. Choose a login method so you can log in using Extreme Code's API, M3U URL, or username and password provided by your IPTV service. Enter your IPTV credentials, so input the server URL, username, and password from your IPTV provider, and if using M3U, paste the full M3U playlist URL. After that, go ahead and configure your settings. Navigate to settings in the app, adjust preferences like EPG, electronic program guide, player settings, and parental controls. Now after that, you can go ahead and start watching. So once configured, browse through the available channels and start streaming. And that is how you can basically set up IPTV Smarters Pro on LG TV.